This is the dawn of Juara. Well, we missed the dawn. We're a bit late, but it's okay. We can do it again. Come again and do it again. And because these guys are very good in waking up 6 o'clock in the morning, 5:30. Some divers, they cannot wake up, so cannot do dawn dive. But these divers, potential very high to do dawn dive. They don't party and drinking at night. They sleep very early. This is Bert the Boatman, and we are about to head back to our dive shop in Juara, Tioman Island.